This is our new package from online store. This is Xmas Lights Multicolor 10 meters 100 light color 220 volts DEC. What is DEC? December 10 meters 100 lights color. So it has okay, what the, this is the control box programs mini controller IP44. That is the ratings of waterproof IP44. But this one, we're going to use this in Xmas light made in China EK04. There's a push button for the music. For the sequencer, for the different LED blinking pattern. Let us check 220 volts. Where is this one? Okay. Again. Let us now connect it to 220. Change the blinking. We have to change the blinking pattern. This is not. This is just a plain LED. It is not an RGB LED. Okay, let us examine the inside of this controller box. Okay, how can we open this box? About this one. Okay, this one. We have the first box opening, and then one, two, three, four, five, 6 lines. 2 wires to the right, 4 wires separated wires. And then how can we get this one? Okay. Oh, okay. This is now the next box, the next section of the box with 3. What is the 3? Stabilizer. To hold this PCB. And then now we have the okay. So this is the main circuit. This one is the push button, a PCB type push button. Okay. In here we have the MB10F, sort of regulator, and then the what's this, 6-pin IC, resistor, capacitor, SMD type resistor, push button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 components. Okay, let us examine, reverse engineer this PCB. This is the actual wirings of our circuit board LED controller. So this is the main board, the actual. We have the 2 lines for the AC, then 3 lines for the LED output. This is the bridge type rectifier, MB10F. This one resistor. This is LED driver, push button switch, resistor, capacitor. Okay, that is the value. And for the schematic diagram, just to show how the circuit works, we have this derived from these actual wirings. We have this reverse engineering of the circuit. So this is the AC, alternating current. Just like here, these 2 lines is the same as this one, AC. And this is alternating current. And because we have this bridge type rectifier, it rectifies the signal from AC. It becomes pure DC, direct current DC, straight line DC. From AC, which is an analog type sine waveform, becomes DC, direct current. So this is 220 volts, it becomes high voltage direct current. And then to the circuit, we have this resistor, coupling resistor for the IC. And then we have this stabilizer resistor, capacitor. Then we have now established the ground of the circuit. This is the 806B, the LED driver. If this is the LED driver IC, where is the LED? LED is connected at the pin number 5 and 6. This one here. So all LEDs are connected here. 5 and 6 to LEDs. And then we have also this one. This is a cable or wires through to the LEDs. So we have 3 cables or wires. 0 to 2. This one is 0 to 2 to 2 to 0 to 2. Okay. So this pin 6, pin 5, the pin out of the LED. Pin 4 is the switch. What is the switch? Push button switch. When we press the switch, it will have a different blinking pattern. We can change the blinking pattern of the LED using the switch by pulling down the current. And then pin number 3, that is the input. Pin number 2, we have this capacitor, current limiting resistor, not a capacitor, resistor, current limiting resistor to the input of this LED controller box. So in here we have the LEDs connected to the 3 lines, 220, 220. They are all LEDs are connected. Switch to toggle the. This IC also serves as a sequencer. It is capable of changing the blinking pattern of the LED. So this LED driver also as a sequencer. This is sequencer, LED current driver, sometimes called op amps, into the data sheet, wherein we have the LED connected, the 3 lines. And then this one is a rectifier. It changes the analog signal or the sine wave or the alternating current into direct current. So these are all the components inside the LED controller box.